Okay, so in this video I'm going to briefly show you how to manage or keep track of your page translations using the pages, all pages. You come to this dashboard here and you can see where there are needed German translations to the English pages which were already there. So we come down here, we can see that I've already done those using the front end method, which was in the video that I did first. Now I'm going to do this one, Bhakti Marga Center and Ashram. Okay, let's add a translation to German. Okay, and I'm going to overwrite with English content. I'm going to duplicate the featured image from the original, bring it all in. It takes a little while for it to recreate all the content. Right, so it's done, but remember to translate independently so you can make separate edits on the pages without them being synced. Otherwise, what can happen is you make some additional edits on the original page in English, and then this German page is reset back to the English equivalent of that. And you probably don't want to do that. So when this has finished, like now, we're ready to go. I'll go back to my pages. I haven't done all of them, but I'm going to change this back to English. So basically, if you keep changing up here, you'll see if English is for everyone the initial primary language, and then we are slowly but surely translating all of the pages. I haven't done all of them yet, but I've got enough now to demonstrate. Let's just say I have done all of them and I want to change the main language into German. Okay, so if we look here, if we look at our website, so we're in the German page, and you'll see up here it's got a query string, lang equals DE, okay, because DE is our second language, right? If I go to English here, you'll see that this disappears. So the English doesn't have that query string after it, right? But let's just say actually I've done all the pages and I'm in Germany and I want the website to default to German when somebody, goes to bhaktimarga.de, all right? So the next thing we need to do is set the default language. So if I come down to WPML, so I'll come up to here, I'll go to WPML, languages. I'm going to change the default language to German and I'm going to press save, okay? That's done now. If I refresh this page, and we'll see that this is German, okay? So the only reason that the flag has disappeared from this menu is because we haven't set up a German menu yet, which we'll do in another video. But just to let you know that once you've translated all of your pages from English into whatever language you want to run as the second or as the primary language to English, but have two languages, you want to change the default language to whatever that is, and that means that will be the primary language when someone lands on the domain homepage, okay?